Hi guys, today we are going to install Windows 11 on a virtual machine. Okay, let's get started. The best way to try out a testing build is to install it on a virtual machine. And that's what we are going to do today. We are going to install Windows 11 Developer Leaked version. If you are really curious about Windows 11 new features, and if you want to try out by yourself, you can install Windows 11 on a virtual machine. So it's safe and it won't affect your primary device and it won't affect your files or anything. Today we are going to use Virtualbox to create a virtual machine on Windows 10. Virtualbox is a very popular software to create virtual machines locally. You can use any other software such as VMware, but in this video we are going to use Virtualbox. Okay, step 1. You need to download necessary files. You need to download Windows 11 ISO file, which is the leaked version. So I have added both the links in the description section, so you don't need to find it yourself. I'm going to open the link to download Windows 10. Sorry, not Windows 10, Windows 11 ISO file. I'm gonna click download. Now it's starting to download. You need to click allow so it will store in your device. As you can see, the file is downloaded. You can right click and click extract all to extract this file. Meanwhile, we can download the Virtualbox. So go to Google, type Virtualbox, then go on to first link, then click on download Virtualbox. Then choose Windows host and it's downloaded now. Okay. Let's give some seconds to download. Okay, download is completed. Let's wait to extract all the files. Okay. Now if you go into this folder and go into here, you can see this is the ISO file which Windows 11. So first of all, go to download and install Virtualbox on your machine. So double click the exe file and click next, 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 and yes, and then click install. Now it's installing Virtualbox. Now you need to finish. We're gonna minimize this window. Okay, this is Virtualbox. What you need to do is create a new virtual machine. So in here, click on new and give it a name. I'm gonna give it as Windows 10. And as I type in, it automatically pick up Windows 10. If it is not picked up, you just need to type is Microsoft Windows and then the version is Windows 10. Then click next. In here, they're asking to allocate RAM to this virtual machine. So this is allocating from your actual RAM and we are allocating some of it to the virtual machine. So it's recommended to have 2 GB for Windows. I'm gonna increase it to 4 GB. Okay. Click next. In here it's asking to create a hard disk. Create. In here, click next. Here clicks next. In here you need to create a hard disk, and I'm gonna keep it as 50 GB. That's enough. And click create. Okay, the virtual machine is created now. That's all good. The second step is to insert the ISO file into this virtual machine and boot it up. So I'm gonna click the Windows virtual machine and click settings. In here, go to storage. In here, click on this empty CD icon. Then click on this icon and click choose a disk file. Now you need to find your ISO file, which is you should just download it. So I'm gonna go to Windows 11 and click on the ISO file and click open. Now it's inserted. You need to click OK. Then you need to start the virtual machine. I'm gonna click start now. Okay, you just need to click start. Okay, virtual setup is starting. This is the Windows 11 setup. So you just need to press next and click install now. In here, just click I don't have a product key. In here, you need to choose a version. For now, I'm gonna choose Windows 11 Pro and click next. In here, you need to accept the term and conditions. So I'm gonna click checkbox this and click next. In here, you choose custom install Windows only. Then we have to partition the hard disk. So I'm not gonna partition into two. I'm just gonna partition into one. So click new and click apply and click OK. Okay, the partition is created. Now click next. Now start installing Windows 11 into this virtual machine. I'm gonna pause it now and I'm gonna come back again after the installation finished. Okay, start finishing up. Okay, it's restarting the virtual machine. Let's wait to restart. Okay, in here don't press any key. Okay, it's starting. So this is the first time I'm also experiencing Windows 11. Let's see what we get. By the way, this ISO file, you can use it to create a bootable USB drive and install on your machine as a primary Windows, but I don't recommend that. So okay, Windows 11 is starting now. Okay, I'm going to click yes. The setup process is very different than Windows 10. I'm gonna click yes, skip. I'm gonna click setup personal use and click next. It's asking to sign in. Is there an option that you cannot sign in? Sign in options. Okay, offline account. Okay, limited experience. I'm gonna check here. Next, password 1234. So 1234 234. This name be next. Oh, all these questions. I just want to go to the desktop and see how it looks. My God. Click next, we accept. Can we go to the desktop now? No. Checking updates again. Okay, I think it started. Getting things right. Okay, the Windows started. Now we are in the desktop. Okay, this is the Windows 11. Can see the taskbar is centered and all these things. You can check it out. Any settings. Yeah. So that's pretty much it for this video. So if you think this video helpful for you to install Windows 11 and try out the new features on Windows 11 on a virtual machine, just subscribe to this channel and like this video. And if you have any questions about this video, just comment it on the video comment section, and I will help you out whatever the issue you have. Okay, thanks for watching. See you next time with another video.